Coming soon, NASA's Artemis I mission will launch around the Moon and back on an orbital flight test around the Moon. NASA is set to launch the Orion spacecraft to a distant retrograde lunar orbit atop the Space Launch System (SLS) for its maiden launch. Launching from a Launch Complex 39B at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, the Artemis I mission will certify both Orion and the SLS Block 1 rocket for crewed spaceflight. Its next mission, aptly named Artemis II, will be crewed and bring the yet-announced crew to lunar orbit, but will not land on the lunar surface. This orbit will mark the furthest a spacecraft meant for crew will have been from Earth at 450,000 kilometers. Additionally, this mission will mark the longest a spacecraft will have free-flown, not docked to another spacecraft or space station, with a planned mission duration of 42 days. At the time of launch, the SLS Block 1 rocket will be the most powerful rocket in the world, although SpaceX's Starship rocket will take this record shortly. In addition to the Orion spacecraft, SLS will launch 10 6U smallsats as part of the low-cost CubeSat mission. They are mounted on the stage adapter. It is currently unknown when these payloads will be deployed.